This is 10 Pushaw Road. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a small bonus room. Could be a 3rd bedroom, but it is tiny. It's like 8 by 8. So typically it's been 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Has the garage. Nice little spot because this is Pushaw Road, and technically Pushaw Road, of course, is over and goes way out in Glenburn, but this is broken by the Knesgeg stream, so it just dead ends maybe a 1/10 of a mile. And the street is just privately owned lots that mostly have mobile homes and small ranches on them. This is Finson Road, which goes up to Ohio, and then Finson Road on this side goes all the way down to Broadway, and then Davis Road is right maybe a 1/10 of a mile that way and goes that way out to Union Street. So this is neat. Owner bought this a few years ago. Was in it himself for a while, and then he has done some improvements. They put a new metal roof on. They just redid this deck with new stairs, and he wanted some place to put like a table or a grill, so he did that. And then I noticed because this home is right around 20 years old, but it's got a cement slab underneath it, and it's been kept in really good condition. It does have this garage, which is 2 bays, plus it's got some walk-up storage up above, which is kind of cool. It's got the owner's stuff in it currently, but it will be empty for a tenant to use themselves. The storage above and the fact it's got power is pretty cool. We have a lot of rentals in this price point that don't have a garage at all. So inside, the owner has done some new flooring. It's only actually got carpet in one spot. This floor right here was just put down. It's got kind of a eating kitchen, room for a dining table. Has a bar too, so you can do stools. And then cabinets, stove, fridge. This may be a better angle at the living room. It's got a bathroom and 2 bedrooms on end, and then the master is down here. Does have a back door here, but also has a washer dryer hookup, so you can have your own washer and dryer. And then it's got the master. The master's big enough. I think you could do a king size bed. Queen size probably fits really well with a set, bureau and stuff. But I think it's big enough probably to do a king with end tables on either side. And then it's got 2 closets, so you do get a decent amount of closet space. And then you've got like an ensuite full bath. You've got the tub, shower, vanity, which is pretty good size, toilet, and built-in linen storage, which is kind of nice. And then, so this is the only room with carpet, master bedroom. It's kind of nice to have carpet when you wake up in the morning, but the rest of it is a lot easier to maintain and clean. So you basically have 2 small rooms down here. This is the smaller one. Again, this is like 8 by 8. You could stick a spare bed in it or something like that, but it's kind of small compared to today's standards. But it makes a great office, and that's worked really well. And then this front one, it's a little bit bigger. I think it's 12 by 10, something like that. So it gives a little bit more room. Closet in the corner there. And then the other full bath is here. So they did new flooring in there and in the master bath too. There's new flooring, so tub, shower, combo. This design home is pretty